Student loans are a form of financial aid designed to help students cover the cost of higher education, such as tuition, living expenses, books, and supplies. These loans have to be repaid eventually, typically with interest. There are two primary types of student loans. Number 1, federal student loans. These are loans offered by the government through the U.S. Department of Education. Federal loans often have lower interest rates and more flexible repayment options than loans from banks or other private resources. They also offer various repayment plans such as income-driven repayment plans or loan forgiveness programs. Here are the main types of federal student loans. Direct subsidized loans. These are loans to eligible undergraduate students who demonstrate financial need to help cover the costs of higher education at a college or career school. Direct unsubsidized loans. These are loans to eligible undergraduate, graduate, and professional students, but in this case, the student does not have to demonstrate financial need to be eligible. Direct plus loans. These are loans made to graduate or professional students and parents of dependent undergraduate students to help pay for education expenses not covered by other financial aid. Number 2, private student loans. These are any student loans that are not federal loans. These loans do not offer the benefits and protections provided by the federal student loan program. Typically, private loans are made by banks, credit unions, state loan agencies, or schools. Here's a stepwise description of how they work. Number 1, application. The process starts with filing an application. For federal loans, you'd complete the free application for Federal Student Aid, FAFSA. After processing your FAFSA, the school will provide a letter detailing your eligibility for grants which don't have to be repaid, and loans. For private loans, the process involves applying directly with the lender. Number 2, acceptance. If you are offered loans, you can decide whether to accept them and how much to borrow. You don't have to accept the full amount. Number 3, disbursement. Once accepted, the loan funds are usually dispersed or paid out directly to the school. If the loan was a federal student loan, you're required to complete entrance counseling, which helps you understand your obligation to repay. You must also sign a loan agreement. Number 4, use of funds. The funds are applied to your school account to pay tuition, fees, room, and board. If any loan money remains, it will be returned to you. Number 5, repayment. You generally have a 6-month grace period after finishing school before required payments begin. Most student loans are repaid by making regular payments toward the loan, including both the principal amount and the accrued interest. The standard time to repay a student loan is 10 years, but repayment schedules can vary depending on the type of loan, the amount, and the loan terms. Student loans can be a useful tool to finance your education when used responsibly. It's a substantial financial commitment and should be treated as such. So always seek to understand the full terms, obligations, and opportunities related to your student loans. And with that, we have reached the end of this video. We hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content just like it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.